Quebec has some significant bills to pay, but is the way out austerity? Last March, Quebec's finance minister announced a record deficit of $11 billion. He launched a review of the government's expenses. That review is still underway. That's why Éric Girard had to make choices and single out a few priorities in this economic update.
So, for some people, this request to respect the budget is called austerities. For others, the deficit is large because we're spending too much. The truth is in between.
The Legault government is putting more money on the table to speed up the construction of new housing units and to preserve the forestry sector threatened by major fires. Quebec will also invest $880 million over the next 4 years to help public transit authorities tackle mounting operating costs. But some expenses have been unexpectedly high. The post-tropical storm Debbie that hit Quebec in August also cost the province $250 million, which went to helping victims and rebuilding damaged infrastructure. On top of that, expenses in health are about $900 million higher than expected. This is largely due to costs linked to the use of private health agencies. What is the most difficult to deal with? What's the hardest?
I have yet to find what's easy. So they're both difficult.
And they're both difficult, and they are challenges that are here to stay.
Correct. That's why we need responsible professional management.
Quebec will try to curb expenses. As of next year, the age to be eligible to receive a tax credit when staying in the workforce will increase from 60 to 65. That move will save the province $887 million over 5 years.
This tax credit was created in 2011 when the average retirement age of Quebecers was 61 years old.
When the finance minister tables his budget next spring, he'll also present his plan on how his government will get back to black. And he maintains the province can get there by 2029-30.
We want to improve healthcare and education services, and we want to responsibly go back to a balanced budget. So I think what we're doing is a responsible management of public finances.
Girard is also planning for an uncertain future that will come with the Trump administration.